5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
女士们、先生们，合力全球代理商的伙伴们，大家好。2019年，我们召开了第一届全球代理商大会，非常成功。感谢互联网，让我们今年在疫情之下，能够通过线上直播的方式，与大家再次见面，非常重要，也非常亲切，我也非常期待。2020年是一个特殊的年份，新冠肺炎疫情对全球商贸往来、全球经济发展带来了巨大挑战。但我相信，合力与大家的深厚友谊、共赢合作只会加强，不会减弱；只会深化，不会停滞。合力作为中国工业车辆行业领先的企业，全球工业车辆行业7强企业，国际化战略是我们合力的重点核心战略。合力自2014年投资设立欧洲中心以来，先后与德国永恒力合资公司成立租赁公司，与德国财富集团合作成立传动公司。2019年投资设立了东南亚中心。2020年我们开始运营合力北美中心。面向未来，合力将坚定不移地把国际化战略向纵深推进，在已经完成的3个海外中心的基础上，通过合资合作、投资联盟等方式，不断提升合力国际化经营能力，提高合力的国际化水平。坚定不移加大资源投入，以世界5强百年合力为目标，对标国际一流企业，提升企业研发国际化水平，推动合力品牌的国际化，加快本土化、专业化人才队伍建设，从产品、品牌、人才、供应链等，致力于打造受人尊敬的国际一流企业。坚定不移地坚持海外代理师模式，本着真诚、互惠、共赢的原则，真诚开放地和各位伙伴携手深度、专注、长远的合作，共同将合力打造成为国际一流工业车辆的品牌。我也相信，以合力60多年的企业文化底蕴、上市公司的治理机制、丰富可靠的产品体系、先进的生产制造设备、专业的销售以及售后服务保障，包括各位伙伴的全力支持，我们一定能够为客户创造更多、更新的、更大的价值，一定能够成为受人尊重的国际一流企业。祝工作顺利，阖家幸福！谢谢大家。
welcome to Heli. My name is Hua. Today we will introduce some Heli hot forklifts. Now we have two forklifts here. Let's have a look. First, let us see this one. This model is the new model of Heli lithium battery forklift. This series cover 1 to 3.5 ton capacity. As the main models, we already export to worldwide market. Actually, the most important highlight for these models is the lithium battery power. I think many people already know some information for lithium battery, but what's the real lithium battery looks like? Today we will show you. Let's have a look. Okay, here is the real lithium battery. It looks like a bit mysterious, but actually it's very friendly. We use this battery. First is free maintenance. What's the meaning? It mean you need to do daily service and cleaning for the battery, not like the lead-acid battery. Also, with this battery, it could supply very high efficiency. You could use this forklift to work 8 hours one day, or 16 hours one day, or even with the 24 hours if you need with the big battery capacity is available to use. So with this battery, it is supply a very cost-effective solution for customers. For the lithium battery, another very important advantage is the very quick charging. You can charge the lithium battery anytime. For example, during the lunchtime, you can charge the battery, and you can start to you can start to use this forklift again after lunch. If you want to 100% charging, it only takes 2 hours. Only 2 hours is very incredible compared to the older lead-acid battery. So now you can see the very obvious advantage for the lithium battery use. Another point for the lithium battery is that we could use this battery in the low temperature working place. Even in the minus 25 degree working place, you could use this forklift. Besides the quality and the performance, the factory also supplies 5 years warranty for lithium battery. 5 years warranty for the battery. I think many people know for the older lead-acid battery, the factory only supply 1 year warranty, so it's a big difference. So with this, so many advantages, now the lithium battery power is getting more and more popular. But for Heli forklift, besides the battery, we also have some other very important components like the controller. Controller is just like the brain for the forklift. Heli forklift, we use the very famous controller for like the Zapier and the Curtis brand. Now we will show you what's the controller and the motors here. Let's have a look. You see, this is the controller, this is Zapier controller, and this is the AC motors. Heli forklift have very special design. We put the AC motors and the Zapier controller on the counterbalance weight. Why we put here? Because this design could supply the best heat balance for these key components and very easy maintenance. You could see anytime. You could maintain and repair these components. Okay. For the forklift, we have some other advantages like the tire. You see, this is a very wide tire. It also is very particular for the electric forklift. This wide tire supplies very good stability for our forklift. Also, it has an energy saving function. So it's some highlights for our forklift. Besides this one, also we have some other function. I will show you here. First, when we sit on the seat, we could see here. There is one switch. Also, we have the 3-speed models. It means power, economic, and the safety models. So, according to different working requirement, you could choose different models. It means you could choose different driving speed. So, for example, if you working inside some large space, you could choose the safety models with slow speed for the safety and other concern. Also, you can see, well, the operator could operate the forklift with this control lever. It's very convenient and very comfortable for operator for long time working. So it's also is a special design for Heli forklift. Okay. So as we all know, now the lithium battery power is getting more and more popular. And the top Heli forklift brand Heli forklifts is always equipped with the water top quality components, including the lithium battery power. Now with we fit this lithium battery power from CATL. It's a very famous brand battery. So with these components and combined with advanced Heli design and manufacturing technology, we supply the best Heli lithium battery forklifts. Heli lithium battery forklift is your best choice. Thank you very much. So next, let us see another one. If we compare to this forklift, we could see this forklift looks very small, very small. We call this models as the 3-wheeler lithium battery forklift. It's very suitable for the land space, but with a very powerful performance. Let us show you some of the performance. Firstly, the outside turning radius is smaller, it's very small. It's just for the 2-ton models it's just 1,595 millimeters. So it's very small and very suitable for large space. Also, the gradability with node is 20%. 20% is very strong for the. Is very strong. Also, the max drive speed is 16 kilometers per hour, similar to the IC forklift. So it's very power. Maybe some people ask why the so small body could have so power performance. Let us show you the secret. For this forklift, we use the very famous drive system. It's a dual drive system from Germany. Its brand is ZF. ZF is a very big company in world, and this system is very powerful. Also excellent quality. And for these models, many people know this model is usually used in some for indoor use. So. Besides some high performance, the safety measures is very concern for the customers. So for these models, we have taken many measures to ensure the max safety. Firstly, we use the electrical magnetic brake system on this forklift. With this brake system, when you turn off the key, or sometimes this machine is no power, or the drive speed is the driving motor is out of speed. This forklift can automatically stop immediately to avoid some danger. Also, for this forklift, when while turning, there is another function. This is the automatic turning speed reduction. So when you turning these machines, these functions can assure you the safety to avoid some danger. So this is some of the safety measures for this forklift. Also, there is some other points that we want to show you. When we operate these machines, firstly we try this steering wheel. You could see I operate this steering wheel very easily. Why? Because it's the EPS system. We call it the electronic steering system. It's very easy and convenient. particularly for driver to work for a long time. It's very comfortable for them. Also, we have the 3-speed models for operator to choose. We could choose powerful, economic, and safety models with different speed for the according to different working requirement. Another point is the operating level. You could see when I sit on the seat, for me it's very comfortable to operate the lever. So if the operator work for a long time, he will feel very comfortable to operate this function. So it's some of the advantage for this forklift. So for this forklift, with all this super performance, absolute safety and operating comfortability, and of course the advanced lithium battery power, this forklift, you can have it. So today, now we introduce 2 forklifts here. If you have any question or requirement, you can contact us anytime. Thank you very much.
With the characteristics of faster charging, high efficiency, long service life, low temperature resistant, and environment friendly, the truck is suitable for multiple working shift and high-strength application in industries such as material handling, warehouse, and logistics, and so on. Environment friendly, zero emission, low noise. Lithium battery has no acid fog volatilization. High efficiency and energy saving. Charging efficiency is up to 95%, and energy conversion efficiency is higher. Maintenance-free. The lithium battery adopts a fully enclosed structure. It is dust-proof, and it is free from liquid adding and daily maintenance. Long service life. The battery could repeat 4,000 circles while keeping the capacity of 70% in normal charge-discharge condition. Low temperature resistance. Lithium batteries have better performance than lead-acid batteries in the low-temperature working environment from -40 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Faster charging. The battery can be fully charged within 2 to 2.5 hours under faster charging mode. Opportunity charging does not affect battery life. Charging lock confirmation prevents hot plugging. The truck has emergency power off function. Superior long quality guarantee. The battery has long service life. The quality guarantee for battery is 5 years or 10,000 hours, whichever comes first. Heli has launched the G series 1 to 3.5 ton lithium-ion battery upgraded products. Faster charging. Complete 100% charging in 1 to 2 hours. Adopt CATL cell as lithium-ion battery standard configuration. Reliable quality. Increased acceleration speed. Higher operating efficiency. Increased traveling speed by more than 8%. Improved vehicle performance and better thermal stability.
Hello everyone, welcome to Heli. I'm Jack Wu from Heli Southeast Asia. So today I will introduce our new product, G3 series 4 to 5 ton lithium battery counterbalance forklift. So this is our new generation forklift. Right now it have 4 ton, 4.5 ton and 5 ton. So this truck is 4 ton. So we can see for this truck, it used our G3 series family stylish appearance. It have a strong outline and a beautiful color scheme. So let's see about some highlights of these products. First is about the mast. You can see we use the wide wheel mast. It also can equip different kinds of attachment. So this truck, it used the single and double face pallet. It used to lift the double pallet. Also, you can choose other kinds of the attachments, such as the side shifter, paper clamp, fork positioner, and so on. So next, let's see about the driving axles. We use the integrated driving axles. It means the driving motor and the driving axles is combined together. And also for these trucks, it uses the wet type disc brake. So it have a long service life and easy maintenance. You also can see for these trucks, we standard the solid tires. So this is our overhead guard. You can see compared with other products, for our G3 series, we use the integrated overhead guard. It is more safety for the driver. Also, the maximum height for the overhead guard is 2,270. It means this truck can work in a container. So this is our charging port for lithium battery. If you want to charging, you can open it very easy. And next, let's see about the electric component. You can see our controllers is placed on the counterbalance, counterweight. It means the controller is easy to maintain and also have a good performance of heat dissipation. And you also can see we use the standard LED lights. It have a strong light and long service life. Next, let's see about the battery. For this 4-ton, we standard the 80-watt 542 lithium battery. So you can see it is easy to change the battery because it is a standard side pulling battery. If you want to pull out the battery, you can use another forklift to pull it out. It's very easily. Okay. For our G3 series, 4 to 5 ton, we also have used some economic design for the trucks. First is about the enlarged handles. It is easy for the drivers to get on and off. Also, for the trucks, it equipped the 3-speed models, P, E, and S. So the drivers can choose different models according to different working conditions. Meanwhile, we can see for the trucks, it standard colorful monitors. From this monitor, the drivers can see the battery state, the driving speed, and the driving speed models. Also, for the trucks, it have the hydraulic valve level. It is easy to it easy to operate. For these trucks, it have equipped 4 levels. Also, the drivers are very easy to operate the handbrake. It uses the recharge type handbrake. And this is about the cup seat. So it is easy for the driver to place the cup and very comfortable. So this is all of the highlights of our G3 series 4 to 5 ton counterbalance forklift. If you want to know more information, please contact with our dealers. Thank you very much.
SAIC Motor Corporation Limited, the largest automobile company listed in domestic stock market, was the first corporation in China in 2018 to sell more than 7 million cars in a single year. With its increasing scale, automated production line, and improved eco-friendly factory, SAIC has higher demands to update its material handling equipment.
当前汽车行业整个发展趋势，对搬运设备呢，就是有比较高的要求。目前是朝这个电动化的方向发展，对环保、对绿色。
大东方面呢，是希望我们这块呢建立这个绿色工厂，他们也希望这个充电桩、充电设备能设立的更少一点。
Lithium-powered forklifts and tractors provided by Heli with the advantages of zero emission and low noise fully complied with SAIC's aim to build a green factory. In addition, all vehicles are equipped with rubber traceless tires to ensure that no black marks and brake marks are left in the driving process.
现在这个车间里面也没有像这种传统的铅酸电子这种这些污染，实现了一个绿色环保的一个工厂。
Auto manufacturing and assembly line requires the materials delivered must be punctual, accurate, and suitable. These lithium-powered forklifts and tractors customized for SAIC with the features of fast charging, high endurance, and maintenance-free, fully satisfy the needs of SAIC's typical material handling scenario of high-frequency working tempo and extremely long working time. Embedded simultaneously in forklifts, Heli Fix helps managers to know real-time information.
合力刹车使用过程中我们发现充电时间上面比较短，然后呢使用时间也能满足我们生产，就是我们一个班是8个小时，它只要充2个小时就能满足我们整个班的生产，然后呢无形中呢就减少了我们的备选的刹车以及电池的投入。
每次吃饭半个小时的时间可以充，就可以用大半天的时间，合力车开起来也挺舒服的。
原来呢，如果你用铅酸的刹车，可能不止100多台，可能要200台，因为铅酸的充电时间比较长。那现在呢，用合力的充电的这个新能源的刹车，在刹车的使用数量上可以节省30%，在拖车的使用数量上，可能甚至可以增长40%。
Auto manufacturing workshop, especially the assembly workshop, has a strict order for safety of material handling equipment due to its highly complex logistic routes. The numerous designs, including automatic deceleration while making turns, red and blue LED light system, and even standard configuration of warning lights and walking OPS system, can fully safeguard the working security.
上汽集团和合力刹车就是长期的一个战略合作伙伴。经过半年左右的一些运营，现在呢就是基本上各项指标都超出了当初我们的一个期望。
我们这个绿色工厂打造的很重要一个要素，就是我们合力给我们提供的新能源的产品。
Holding on to the core value of put people first, serve the people with fine products, and the slogan of Better Heli, Better Future. Heli announced a strategic partnership with SAIC in 2016, from which the mutual sides would fully exert their advantages to provide each other with better goods and services, and to create a partner relationship of a new kind. Heli, lifting the future.
Today, I will introduce our new products. It's about G2 series 1.6 to 2-ton sedan type reach truck. First, let's see about some highlights of these products. And you can see for these trucks, right now we have 1.6 to 2-ton, and the maximum lifting height can reach to 12.5 meter. And for these trucks, it also equips the PU tail. And inside the tail, it also has an electromagnetic brake. By using these brake systems, it can reduce the brake distance and also can recycle some energy from the braking. Also, and you can see this is our truck body. We use the streamlined truck body, so it looks very beautiful. And also, this is about a new type of overhead guard. So it can protect the driver's efficiency. And this is about the overhead guard, the top of overhead guard. And from this place, you can see it has enlarged wheels for drivers. So it is much more safety when the driver lifting to the maximum lifting height. Also, for this truck, it's standard the AC motors, so it is no need maintenance. And next, let's see about the battery. For these 2-ton street trucks, it's standard the 48 watt, 400 ampere hours lithium battery. And this is about the lithium battery charging port. And you press here, and you can open this charging port. When you finish the charging, you can open it, and so you can see it's very easy for the drivers to charge. So next, let's see about some operating experience. And this is about our operating panel. And this is about the monitor. And you can see it is a large monitor. From this monitor, you can see about the battery state, the driving speed, and also about the steering wheel position. And here is about the steering models. And you can choose 108 or 360 steering models. So it can the drivers can choose different models according to his using habit. And these two buttons, it can realize the automatic century for the steering wheel. And this is about the hydraulic level. And you can see we use the thumb switch level. And we standard 4 pieces of level. First is about lifting, and the second is about reaching, and the third is about tilting, and fourth is a side shift. And we also use the EPS steering systems. So it is very flexible for the drivers to steering. And next we will see about some operating levels function. First is about the lifting. And our trucks also can reach. It also equips the fork tilting device. So it is a very useful configurations for drivers. It can make sure the trucks have a good stabilities. It also standard the side shift. So this is our G2 series sit-down type reach truck. I think it is a good product for the customer to choose. If you want to know more information, please contact with our dealers. Thank you very much. So today I will introduce attractive products. It's about our G series 8.5 to 10 ton electric forklift. So from the outside appearance, we can see this truck have a compact structure, and it also uses the streamlined design method. So the appearance is very attractive. Also, it has some highlights. So let's see about these highlights of these products. First is about the mast. We can see it equips a wide wheel mast. It also has a lifting buffering device. So it makes sure the mast is very stable for this truck. Also, it equips this cylinder fork positional. So the drivers can adjust the fork wise very easy. Next, let's see about the driving axles and driving motors. Please come with me. And you can see for our trucks, it uses the double driving motors. It's the 4 AC motor, so it is free maintenance. And for our driving wheel and the steering wheel, all of these wheels equip the solid tails. And you can see our G series 10 ton electric forklift. It have a compact truck body compared with the IC forklift. The steering radius is similar to 7 ton IC forklift, so it can use in the narrow air working conditions. So this is about the battery. For these trucks, it equips the large capacity lead acid battery, and also you can equip the lithium battery. Compared with the acid battery, lithium battery can realize the fast charging. It only needs about 3 hours to fully charge, and can use about 6 to 8 hours. Also, we can see we have some device. When you press this button, you can open the covers very easily. And this time, the customer can changing or charging the water, charging the battery. It's very easy. So let's see about the electric components. So our controller and the electric components is placed on the rear, on the backward of the truck, and you can see this is about the controller and some electric components. Also, for our trucks, it uses a no-tail frame structure, so it can make sure the truck have a compact bodies and also have a good cooling performance. Okay, let's see about the driver's carb. For these trucks, it equips the driver's carb. So this is an optional device. Next, let's see about the inner configuration of this truck. You can see for these trucks, we equipped the fully suspension seat, so it is comfortable for the driver. And also, it equips the automatic electric parking device. So let me demonstrate these parts. So when you want to parking the truck, you should only press down this button. And right now you can see the red ring of this button. It means right now the truck is parking. And if you want to drive this car, you can press this button. And right now the truck is in the standby model, and you can drive this car. So it also can realize automatic parking. It's very easy. And this is about the Zarping instrument and steering unit and the steering wheel. By using the load sensing steering systems, it makes sure the steering is very flexible. On the outside of the front windows, it also equipped a wind brush, so it can use in the rain conditions. It's very convenient. So this is about our G-series 8.5 to 10-ton electric forklift. So if you want to know more information about our products, please contact our dealers. Thank you very much. See you.